Sarap.
Lahat ng sushi. Bakit kayo nila sinabing sushi na? Dahil may seaweed, gano'n.
Wala kasi ako guys na chopstick, kaya yan, homemade na sushi. Ang sarap guys. Sarap. Yummy. Yummy. Sarap guys.
Manamis-namis siya.
Ginger. Sarap guys. Chopstick. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.